Okay, we're going to talk about some statistics and how to analyze data. So the first lesson is all about central tendency. What kinds of things we can do to analyze the data, to compare it. Okay, so here's our pieces of data. Let's say they're scores or numbers of something. 2, 2, 4, 1, 6, 5. Okay, the first one we're going to talk about is mean. Okay, a mean is how we think about doing an average. We would add them all up and divide by number of pieces of data. Okay, so if I add all of those up, 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6 plus 5, and then I'm going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of data. Okay, and we get 20 divided by 6, so our mean is 3.3. Okay, next is our median, and this would be the middle number. And a special note, they have to be ordered. So here I need to rearrange the data to read 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, so if I think about the number in the middle, okay, both of them line up in the middle because there's an even number, so you're not going to have 1 in the middle. So if this is the case, then you have to actually take both and then average them. So our median is 3. Okay? And then the next is the mode. I always think of the MO as most often. So we're going to look at this. So most occurring. Which one occurs the most? So here you can see that 2 happens twice, where everything else only occurs once. So your mode is 2. You can have more than one mode. You can have 2 different numbers or 3. So another example would be if I had something like this. You can see that 4 and 9 are your modes. Okay, so you can have more than one. And the last one we're going to talk about is the mid-range. So the mid-range is when you add up the low plus the high, and then you average them. So if I'm looking at our set of data, the lowest is 2, the lowest is 1, I gotta have them ordered. 1 and then 6 is the highest. And then I'm gonna average that. So that's 3.5 as our mid-range. So low plus high divided by 2, finding the average.